Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Coupon Empress, aka Collection Gifts by Marjorie. Now y'all better get the getting. Don't sleep on $1.25 tree. I've told you guys over and over again, do not sleep on $1.25 tree, and don't even sleep on Dollar General. Don't take Dollar General for granted. Do not take $1.25 tree for granted. Let me show you all these items. Some I got from $1.25 tree and some I got from Dollar General. First, what I got from Dollar General. I was watching LBE's channel, Love Basket Express. If you don't know who she is, go over to her channel, tell her Coupon Empress sent you. Maybe you guys have already subscribed to her channel, but just hit her up and say, Margie said, watch this, okay? Now, she did a video with some items she got from, I believe, $1.25 tree. And I started thinking, I was like, if $1.25 tree sell these items, chances are they are in Dollar General for $1. Save me a quarter. So there's a $1.25 tree and Dollar General that's right beside each other. So I'm like, okay, let me go into Dollar General first. So these books, I have never thought of these books before. I always do like the crayoning books, but never books that, kids could actually read. So I have a whole lot of books right here. Well, quite a few. I don't know if you all know, well, y'all should know about Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, okay? When my kids were growing up, this was one of the, shows that was on TV. So these are $1.25. I mean, $1 from Dollar General. And I know $1.25 tree might sell this. I haven't seen this on LBE's channel. I've seen other ones, but this one I have not seen. So this is by the brand Nickelodeon. This, I have two of these. Why I keep saying $1.25? $1 each. I have three of these. Then this that says a sleep beer, a bedtime book. You all look at the writing in this and the pictures. These could go in your Easter baskets or birthday baskets, whichever one you choose. This is by the brand Crayola. Purple Jellies Fall Asleep. $1 from DG. Let's scoot you over here. Look what I found. One by Paw Patrol. I was digging like crazy. I only found one by Paw Patrol. Oh, yeah. I found one by Minnie Mouse. I found one by Rainbow Corns. I've never heard about it. I've heard about unicorns, but not rainbow corns. But hey, the pictures look good. Hey, it looks good. Okay, this one that says Learn and Sing. What color are you wearing? Oh, look at this little girl. She's so gorgeous. Okay, I guess this teaches you about the different shades of blue. This one is by DG Super Friends. Oh, so you have like the miniature Superman, Wonder Woman, and whatever that blue character is. I don't know. I do not know. Okay, what else do I got? Okay, I have the Princess Ariel. I have 1, 2, 3 of these. I also have this that says Little Chick. Little Chick, I have 3 of these. I have one of this Frozen. Let me see if I could see what this one says. I'm not sure. This is hidden with the sticker. Something by something. Let's see. Oh, Fearless by Nature. Fearless by Nature. I have 2 of these. And this that says something. Let's see what this one is. Adventure to the North. So these are two different ones. I have two of those. What else did I get from DG? I guess that's all I got from DG. Now we're on to $1.25 tree. I have seen these. Let me see how you pronounce this. Enchanto body wash. And I was like, didn't I see this character in Walmart? And I'm like, I'm going to get it for $1.25. I didn't see this in Dollar General, or else I would get it for Dollar General. I've hauled the Star Wars body wash before, but I picked up, a few more to go with my Star Wars theme baskets. Here I have Minnie Mouse pacifier and a bottle wash. I am working on a whatchamacallit? Oh my God. Baby shower, baby shower basket. So I got some of these things. And guys, these are Disney characters at $1.25 tree. I've never actually looked at the baby stuff, but $1.25 tree, it's a buzz, okay? It's a vibe. Here I got these character. This is Avengers toothbrush. This is a 3-pack. $1.25. And I have the Hello Kitty. What else I have? I think this one is My Little Pony. I have two of these of the My Little Pony. I was hoping to find Frozen, Paw Patrol, but I'm still on the hunt. I know $1.25 trees sell the single pack, but getting the triple pack, that's a plus. So if you see the triple pack, take that up. These sippy cups, I call them sippy cups for children. This is Paw Patrol. This is Spider-Man. Guys, you cannot get any cheaper than this. I know you might be able to get these in Dollar General right now. With that 90% off, you might be able to get it for maybe 50 cents, I think, or 30 cents, something to that effect, or 20 cents. If you could find it, good luck. But when I saw these at $1.25 tree, I was like, I'm not leaving these. I am getting them. At $1.25 tree, I saw these puzzles. Now, I saw this with LBE's haul, and I'm like, you know what? I've never actually seen these at my Dollar Tree, but near to where I work, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to check the Dollar Tree there and see what they had. And lo and behold, I found some of them. This is the My Little Pony. I found that one. I found this Mickey Mouse. I was hoping to find a Minnie Mouse also, but I only found the Mickey Mouse. I found two of the Peppa Pig. I found several of the Paw Patrol. This one is Path Game. This one is Friendship Fun. So I found 3 of the Friendship Fun and 1 of the Path Game. Okay. So as I said, I just hop on here to show you these little items that I picked up. They're going to go into my Easter baskets. I have so much Easter baskets, guys, that I already did. As I mentioned in a previous video, excuse me, I have been busy just constructing baskets after baskets, because what I really want to do, I want to construct as much baskets as I can. And then when I'm through with maybe down to the last maybe 5 to 10 baskets, I will come on and show you guys, do one on camera, a couple of them on camera with you. But for me to, because as I mentioned, my goal is to make about 75 to 100 baskets. This is my first time selling for Easter, and I don't want to undermake baskets or overmake baskets, if you understand what I'm saying. But I am feeling pretty much confident where that is concerned, because I don't know if you all see the prices of these baskets in Dollar General and even Walmart. I went into Walmart, and those baskets I saw, Packaging is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. The packaging is beautiful. They had, I think I saw one. I saw a Spider-Man. I saw a LOL, and I saw a Spider-Man LOL, and I think I saw a Paw Patrol. Now, as I said, the packaging is beautiful, but there's nothing in it. There is nothing in those baskets. Let me tell you, okay, say for instance, the LOL basket, okay? That LOL basket, the outside backing, that it's not sitting in a basket, it's like sitting in a cardboard. The cardboard have LOL on it, like the LOL character on it and all of that stuff. You look at it and you'll be like, oh, this is gorgeous. But when you actually look at it, it said it have, how much pieces in there? I don't remember. But trust and believe, that box that's everything is sitting in, that's counted as a piece. But when you look in that basket, guys, there is nothing inside of the basket. Nothing. When I said nothing, I mean nothing is inside of those baskets. For Walmart to be selling them for $24.98, there is nothing in those baskets. We as gift basket designers, we actually go out, buy stuff, take the time and put them together, add in way more stuff, our time into constructing these baskets. And a lot of people look at some of your baskets. I hear, a lot of people asking how much should they sell their baskets for. Me personally, sell it for whatever you want to sell it for. Okay? Because as I said, when I look at what is in the store, it is crazy. There is one basket I saw at, excuse me, at Dollar General. And I believe it was for $9. Guys, there were 4 items in there for $9. $4 in there for $9. But it's the way it was packaged. You will look at these baskets and be like, oh, this is beautiful for $24.99 or for $9.99. This is a beautiful basket. I'm going to get it because of how it was arranged. Now, you have to take the time out to make sure that all of your baskets are properly arranged. The bows, the way how you put those bows on there, it's everything. Presentation is everything. So you might have your baskets, as an entrepreneur, have your baskets put together, but it's not pleasing to the eye, and you will be selling it for, say for instance, let's throw a figure out there. Just say you will be selling it for $15. Just say $15. You have a lot of stuff in there. It's selling for $15. You go into Walmart, even though it's worth more than $15. You go into Walmart, you see a gift basket that is selling for $25. Listen what I'm saying. You're selling yours for $15. Walmart is selling theirs for $25 with nothing in there. And you're selling it for $15 with a whole lot of stuff in there. But a lot of people will go to Walmart and buy it from Walmart. Not because they want to spend more money, but the presentation. You see what I'm saying? Even though your $15 basket have more stuff in there that's more expensive than what is in Walmart's gift baskets, but it's the presentation. If you have stuff just thrown around in your baskets, people are going to overlook your baskets and go somewhere else. So the presentation is everything. You have to make sure. I know a lot of you guys struggle to make bows. You could go on YouTube, learn how to make bows. Boss Lady Felicia, she show how to make bows. LBE show how to make bows. I've watched also, I think, Mindless Crafting, she show how to make bows. Who else? what's that young lady's name? Something TV. I'm not remembering her name right now. She show how to make bows. There's a lot of people who can show you how to make bows. Your presentation is everything. So before you just throw anything in a basket and think it's gonna get sold because you have all these items in there, boo boo, you're fooling yourself. Make sure all of your baskets are on point. I know it's going to take a little time for you to reach where you want to reach, but you have to show effort. When I started making gift baskets, guys, I was a mess, okay? Looking back, I was a whole mess. But as time goes by, I start making, I'm paying more attention to certain things that I wasn't paying attention to when I started making gift baskets. So, guys, as I said, presentation is everything. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money for you to make all these wonderful baskets. You don't have to. All these name brand things are in $1.25 tree, and you don't have to let it look like you get it from $1.25 tree. Because anybody could go into $1.25 tree and buy these items. But it's the way that you put it together. You feel me? The way you put these things together, this will determine, the way how you put it together will determine if someone want to buy your products, and it will also determine the price your product should be priced for. All right? I hope that little tip helps. I just hop on here to show you guys these stuff from $1.25 tree and the Dollar General, and I'm going on and on. So guys, with that being said, don't sleep on $1.25 tree. Don't sleep on Dollar General, but go to Dollar General first before you go to $1.25 tree, because that quarter stretches a long way, because 4 of these items at $1.25 tree is $5. It's $1.25 each. So 4 items is $5. 4 items at Dollar General for $1 each is only $4. So you're saving yourself $1 right there. You see what I'm saying? Okay, with that being said, guys, take care, and I'll catch you guys in another video. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to pause a minute for you to subscribe. Ding dong, ding dong, ding, 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 ding. I don't know where I thought of Jeopardy. Okay, so did you guys subscribe? Thank you. With that being said, guys, take care, and I'll catch you all in another video. Bye.